Updating your business profile on Muvi is essential for maintaining accurate information and enhancing your online presence. Follow these simple steps to ensure your profile is up to date. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access the section where you can edit your business information. Step 3. Edit Business Information. In the Profile Settings, find the fields that contain your business information such as name, address, contact details, and description. Click on the Edit button next to each field you wish to update. Step 4. Save Changes. After making the necessary updates, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure all your changes are recorded in the system. Step 5. Review your profile. Once you have saved your changes, navigate back to your business profile to review the updates. Ensure that all information is accurate and reflects your current business status. By following these steps, you can easily keep your business profile on Muvi updated. Regular updates help maintain your credibility and attract more customers.